everybody, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I know I'm really close to the camera, but we're just going to deal with that. I really don't want to set up a new zone at the moment and get even further away from the camera, so we're just gonna deal with being super close. Today is my first vegan everyday makeup routine to show you guys how I do my makeup using vegan and cruelty-free products, and also what products I am using now being a vegan. So I'm going to stop rambling on and you guys can see how I created my face today. Hi everyone. So it feels so weird sitting down and doing my makeup. It feels so weird because I haven't done something like this in so long. If you've never seen my face and you don't know who I am, I'm Amy and I went vegan about 8 months ago. So slowly I've been getting some new products into my makeup and also getting rid of some that aren't vegan or cruelty free. Okay, so I'm going to remove my glasses so you guys can actually see my face without my glasses. I'm probably not going to be able to see you guys or the camera. It's not physically seeing you guys, but I'm not going to be able to see myself because I literally cannot see without my glasses at the moment. So first of all, what I do now is I don't actually use a primer, not because I don't like primers, but I don't use one because I don't have one on me. And I haven't really found one that I like that is vegan. So if you know some good primers that are vegan or cruelty free, please let me know down below because I need to have one in my life. But we're gonna start off with my foundation today. I'm using this new foundation that I got a couple of days ago. This is from e.l.f. and this is their Flawless Finish foundation. It's got SPF 15 in it and I did some research and this is one of their vegan foundations. I'm just gonna put this straight onto my face and then use my beauty blender to blend it into my skin. Just put 2 pumps on my skin and hopefully this is enough. I can go in with another pump if I need, but I'm gonna see if this is enough. So that's my foundation done, and I actually don't have a concealer at the moment that I'm using that I have found that I like. Now that that is finished, I'm going to finish off my face with some powder. Today I'm using my Australia's Fresh and Flawless powder. This is in the color Light Beige, which is their lightest color. And normally I just pat this into my skin and then I whirl it over. My base is done. Normally I go in with my bronzer. Today I'm using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I've had this for so long and I'm still at the same point I was like 6 months ago with my pan, but it is okay. I'm happy this is lasting a long time. Next on the agenda is blush, and I'm not a huge fan of blush. I went off blush quite a while ago, but I've started to bring it back into my face just because I do need a little bit of color on my skin. I'm now going to do my brows. I am using this OXX Studio brow pencil in the color Light. I've been loving this. I only got it like 2 weeks ago and unfortunately like I'm almost run out. So apparently Frederick wants to join, so he's just sitting down here. So you will see his little head here and he'll probably chat to himself in the mirror that I've got in front of myself. But after I put my brows on, normally I go in with my highlighter. Today I'm using the Balm Mary Luminizer. And I normally go on with my highlighter first just because I put my mascara on after this and I don't like putting highlighter on when my mascara is drying. So after highlighter, I am going to go in with my Too Faced Natural Eyes, and I'm actually just going to put a crease shade into my crease on my eyelids just to give my eyes a little bit of definition. Onto mascara, I am using my Australis Mega Lash mascara to last but not least, I'm going to put a liquid lipstick on, Colourpop liquid lipstick today, and this is in the colour Echo Park. But this is the finished look, so I hope you all enjoyed watching me getting ready today. I know I haven't done one of these videos in a very long time, so I'm still trying to get used to the whole makeup phase kind of thing. I hope you all enjoyed seeing this makeup look. If you want to see more makeup videos from me on this channel, definitely just let me know down below in the comments. I'm going to get going, so I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!